So I'm Jack. I work at Northern CNC up in the northeast of England. I'm CNC operator, workshop kind of controller, and little bits of extras. Northern CNC's been operating for 5 years now, ever evolving, ever changing. So with Northern CNC, I think we're very flexible, we're very versatile. If a customer comes in one morning, asks for something a bit funky, a bit different, we'll make it happen, either the same day or the next day. We've seen quite a lot of Kimla products through the years. Kimla's just kind of shown it's a cut above the rest, really. I've had a few years in manufacturing where I've been around other CNC machines and it's nothing like this. So we use the Kimla Router mainly for cutting, drilling, polishing up perspex edges. Loads of little detail jobs as well, like J handles. There's loads of different applications that we use it for. On a day-to-day, we process timber, perspex, do a lot of brass, metal engraving. So yeah, everything really. After being on the machine for over a year, it's just fast, reliable, it's guaranteed results, repeatable results. It's not you come in one day and something's off. It's every day is a guaranteed start. It's quite a few good features. The high gantry is really good. Clears a lot of material, and the unlimited tool library is fantastic. The 10 tool switcher on the end helps you do loads of processes with ease. I think we've had quite steady growth over the 5 years that we've been here, and no matter what business and products get thrown away, we can deal with it. It's great, so user friendly. Me as a beginner a year ago, it's intimidating to look at, but as soon as you start playing, as soon as you start getting going, she makes your life easy. So in summary of working with Daltons Wadkin, they just offer a great service. You feel like you're part of a family. There's a lot of aftercare involved. As soon as there's any bit of maintenance that needs happening, as soon as you're on the phone, it's what can we do and how can we help. So really above and beyond.